If function is one of the most powerful functions in Excel. It is fairly simple to use, but on the other hand, it can be complex as much as you need it to be. In this worksheet called If Data, we're about to create bonuses for people who have certain job grade. I will show you 2 examples how you can use this function. But first, let's check out the syntax of this function. As you can see up here, it has 3 parts. First is logical test, then second is the value to be displayed if logical test is true, and on third place is the value to be displayed if logical test is false. Let's try this. Here in column D we want to mark all employees that will get the bonus. We will do this with yes or no. So, we want to grant bonus to all employees with pay grade 5 or above. Equal sign, if, open parenthesis, and now, we need logical test. That is, if value in this cell is greater or equal to 5. Second argument is yes. And finally, third argument, if value is not true, Excel will display no. Just to copy this down, and we have it. For second formula we will use this column that we just populated. We will assign bonus of $500 to every employee that is eligible. So, if, parenthesis, our test, and that is, if data in cell D3 is equal to yes. If that is true, we are going to assign bonus. And, if it is not true, then no bonus. Enter, copy down, and it is done. That is all about if function, for start, but let's get familiar with couple of things. First, when you are entering text string, as you saw here, it needs to be inside quotation marks. Numbers do not need quotations. Second, if your logical test is greater or equal, or maybe it is less or equal, signs for greater and less always come on first place. When you master this function, you will notice that you can use it in lot of situations. This was just short introduction to if function. If you liked this video, subscribe and also check out my other tutorials.